Question 4. Find the function f from each of the following f inverse. Okay. So normally we find f inverse from fx. Now we need to find f from the f inverse. So the the steps will be quite similar. So now we want to find fx, right? So we let fx equals to y. Then bring in the f here. We get f inverse y equal to x. Okay, f we bring here become f inverse y. So we know that f inverse x is 6x plus 7. F inverse y would then be 6y plus 7. So 6y plus 7 equals to x. Then we make y the subject. So x minus 7 over 6. So y is fx. Therefore, fx is x minus 7 over 6. Done. Okay. Next, B. Same thing. We let fx equals to y. So f inverse y will be x. Okay, f you bring there become f inverse. So if f inverse x is 2 minus x, f inverse y would be 2 minus y. So 2 minus y over 5 is x. We need to make y the subject. So multiply the 5 here. Then making y the subject, y we bring there, f5x we bring there. So y will be 2 minus 5x. Therefore, fx is 2 minus 5x. Done. And lastly, C. So let fx equal to y. F inverse y will be x. So if fx is 3x, x minus 3, fy would be 3y, y minus 3. Now, we have no choice but to expand this. So you multiply the whole thing by x. So 3y is x times y minus 3. So 3y is xy minus 3x. So now we need to bring all the terms with y to one side. So 3y minus xy equals to negative 3x. Factorizing y, we will get 3 minus x is negative 3x. So making y the subject, you will get negative 3x over 3 minus x. So if you have a fraction that is negative like this, we usually try to make it positive. So you multiply top and bottom with negative 1. So we get 3x over x minus 3. And our y is the fx. So fx is this. But whenever we have x in the denominator, we need to state the condition. Okay. So the condition is the denominator cannot be 0. So what can make the denominator 0? X being 3. So x cannot be 3. If x is 3, 3 minus 3 will become 0. So x cannot be 3. So this whole thing is the answer.